Academy Award-winning actress Reese Witherspoon and businessman Oliver Haarmann have officially taken a major step in their relationship. The pair made their first public appearance together at the premiere of Elle in New York City on June 23, instantly becoming one of the evening's biggest talking points. So, what made this appearance so significant? Let's dive into the story. For nearly a year, fans have been following reports about Reese Witherspoon and Oliver Haarmann. Romance rumors first surfaced in July 2024 when the two were spotted spending time together. Since then, the couple has largely kept their relationship away from the spotlight, choosing privacy over public attention. That made their appearance at the Elle premiere feel especially meaningful. Instead of avoiding cameras, Reese and Oliver arrived together, smiling confidently as they attended the highly anticipated event. While they didn't make dramatic speeches or grand declarations of love, sometimes actions speak louder than words. And this appearance certainly sent a message. It suggested that the couple is comfortable sharing this chapter of their lives with the public. Now here's an interesting question. Why do celebrity red carpet debuts matter so much? For many public figures, appearing together at a major event is often viewed as a milestone in a relationship. It's a way of saying they're happy to be seen together while continuing to keep certain parts of their private lives just that private. Reese Witherspoon has long been admired not only for her successful acting career but also for her business ventures, book club, and work as a producer. Throughout the years, she has balanced global fame with raising a family and building multiple successful companies. That balance between career and personal life is something many fans respect. Oliver Haarmann, meanwhile, has largely stayed outside the entertainment spotlight, making their relationship even more intriguing to followers who are curious about the actress's personal life. Still, one thing stands out. Neither Reese nor Oliver appears interested in making their relationship about headlines. Instead, they seem focused on enjoying their time together. And perhaps that's one reason so many fans are rooting for them. In today's world, relationships are often put under intense public scrutiny. Every photo, every outing, and every social media interaction can become the subject of endless discussion. Yet healthy relationships don't always need constant public attention to thrive. Sometimes, the strongest connections are built quietly, away from the cameras. There's an important life lesson here as well. Not every meaningful relationship needs to be shared with the world immediately. Taking time to build trust, understand each other, and grow together before making things public is something many couples can relate to. As Reese and Oliver continue this new chapter, fans will undoubtedly be watching with excitement and wishing them happiness. Whether you're a longtime Reese Witherspoon fan or simply someone who enjoys uplifting celebrity stories, this appearance reminds us that love can blossom at different stages of life. Sometimes, new beginnings arrive when we least expect them, and that's what makes stories like this so inspiring. Now we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about Reese Witherspoon and Oliver Haarmann making their first public appearance together? Do you think celebrity couples should keep their relationships private, or do you enjoy seeing them share special moments with fans? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love celebrity news, relationship updates, and inspiring Hollywood stories, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because here, we bring you the biggest entertainment stories with thoughtful analysis, positive conversations, and updates you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.